Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on Line app. So if Line app is not sending you the verification code by SMS or call, just follow these simple fixes. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If the connection seems weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try again. Next, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it back off again by tapping on the airplane icon on the control center. After that, make sure you enter the correct phone number with the correct country code. Next, check if the Line app needs an update. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for the Line app and then tap on Update if it appears. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the Line app. For that, you need to press and hold the Line app icon and then tap on Remove app and then delete it. Then reinstall it again from the App Store and then try requesting for a verification code again. If these steps still don't help you, you can also try restarting your phone. For that, you need to press and hold the power button and the volume button together until the power sliders appear. Slide to power off your iPhone, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on again. Lastly, the problem could be from Line's server. If their servers are down or under maintenance, verification codes may not be sent properly for some time. So those were some easy ways to fix verification code not received issue on Line app. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.